You guys, let's put on our wig. I was expecting to first of all curl my hair, but my sister has been so busy, yeah, so she haven't have that minute for me, so which is okay. I want to first of all wear this curly one. Maybe later she will come and fix it, then we'll wear the other one. But this one is, you know, it's full hair, so I don't think this will disturb it. So yeah, let's put it on. This is the hair. It's doing near for hands. Anyway, so this one is the front like this. I don't know, you guys. I first start putting it on like this. Hey, me and her. Whoa, Bonnie. Okay. Canada, tanto people it. Oh, how I even be now? Fits me so. I don't know, this one I be like say that I don't understand. Let me go come back, but they know they come back. So they carry the hair. I saw you are taking water. See my hair now, not be here, be here. Yo, where I go put them again? I never called this one, I make a fair contact. Hey, well, understand though. This one will fit me so. I don't even want to take all this one. So I make a fair come out and call to you guys. These construction people, they make person they get noise for this side. I don't know, wait for me to come out and cut and beg, make I know your idea. Hey, Chineke. So we are here, not be here. Oh. Ha. So let me try cut it through this line. Okay. So this one is the lace out. I cut it very straight. So let's put it on back. See me the husband, that's what you go do. You guys, that's what the hair they do. I don't understand. So I don't cut the lace here. Hey! Oh. Me and hair. You don't understand also. See me here. That's what you go do. So how it's like so her hair be like say too full, I wanna say good day. More like let me know, does it after like this, am I supposed to put water or like I'm supposed to whatness? Am I supposed to be going like this? I don't understand that much. So you guys, this is what it look like for now. So let me know if I should be going like this or there's any other thing like I should add the water. Because here now it's like the coil is not that much up. I don't know again.